In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Atlassian Intelligence for your workspace in Trello. Atlassian Intelligence is a powerful feature designed to help you work smarter by leveraging artificial intelligence directly within your Trello boards. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, automate tasks, or gain insights to boost productivity, enabling this feature can make a big difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn it on and ensure your workspace is ready to take full advantage of it. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening Trello and navigating to your profile icon. You can find this in the top right corner of the Trello interface. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select the option labeled Settings. It's your gateway to customizing how Trello works for you. Once you're on the Settings page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a panel with different sections. This is where you'll find all the settings you can adjust for your account and workspace. Now, from that left-hand panel, click on the section labeled Workspace Settings. This is where you'll find all the options specific to your Trello workspace. Once you're in the Workspace settings, your next step is to locate the option to enable or disable Atlassian Intelligence. This setting allows you to turn the feature on or off based on your needs. To activate Atlassian Intelligence, simply click on the option that says Enable. This will switch the feature on for your workspace, allowing you to start using it right away. However, before you proceed, it's important to confirm one key detail. Atlassian Intelligence is only available for users on Trello's premium plan. If you're not on a premium subscription, you won't be able to access this feature. If you're already on the premium plan, you're good to go. After enabling the feature, make sure to save any changes if the system prompts you to do so. This will finalize the activation process and ensure that Atlassian Intelligence is fully set up for your workspace. If you don't already have a Trello account, or you're new to the platform, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and explore all the features Trello has to offer. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Atlassian Intelligence for your Trello workspace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.